guys, what's up? It's me, Bailey. Today we're going to be doing day 2 of my 12 days of Christmas looks. Today's look is actually, it's like Christmas light inspired. You guys have probably all seen this look everywhere. It's a pretty basic look. I thought it would be fun to give it a try. So this is a picture of the look that I'm going to try. That's what it looks like. Now I'm going to try my best to recreate the look, but you know, each of our skills vary and whatnot, so we'll see how it turns out. So yeah, let's just hop right into this look, shall we?
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Okay, so first I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. If you'd want a video on that, I could do that separately. Just to save time, I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera, prime my eyelids, and then I'll be back when I'm ready to start the eyeshadow. Okay guys, I did my eyebrows. I only primed one eye because I didn't want to put concealer on my other eye and then let it get dried up. I like when it's tacky, so I have that base to start with. So I'm going to zoom you guys in and we will start this eyeshadow process. So the first shade that I'm going to take is this shade Punch Me from the James Charles Morphe palette, which is this brown right here. So I'm just going to take that on a fluffy brush. I will be blending the shade Punch Me into my crease.
Many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
So next I'm going to mix the shade 10% Off and No Beans together. So I'm going to put that right below where I put the shade Punch Me, which was the lighter brown. So I'm just going to blend those shades out the same way that I blended out that lighter brown. These are the shades that I'm talking about. So this is 10% Off and this is No Beans.
So I'm offering a simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
So I have my crease cut and I set it with the shade Flashback from James Charles palette. Next, I'm just going to line the cut crease with a black liner just so I get the base of the wire down. Then I will take a blue, green, yellow, and red shade and I will draw little dots. So I'm going to create that black line for right now and then I will be back and we will start the colored bulbs.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
Okay guys, so my camera actually died and I had to charge the battery. So in the meantime, while that was charging, I went ahead and I just did the other eye. So this is what it's looking like.
Although it's been said many times, many ways.
Now I'm going to finish this other eye and show you guys what to do. So I'm just going to start again with my liner and I'm switching between the Too Faced sketch marker in the black shade. And the Aika black liquid liner.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
The next thing after I have that line down is I'm going to make these little lines, I guess, to attach the bulb to. I think I did 13, so I'm going to put that many lines on this line, and then I will go into the colors.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways.
For these dots, I'm just taking on the top the red shade You're Kidding, and then I'm mixing Social Blade and Daddy for the green color for these top bulbs. So I'm just gonna do the top ones first. So I'm just taking like a little pencil brush with a very like small tip, and I'm dipping into the green shade Social Blade and Daddy. Then I'm just taking it and I'm going to the first dash I made, and I'm just packing it in like a little circle. So yeah, you'll just do that, and then you'll repeat that for every color that we use.
Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Once you have these base dots down, you're next going to take a white liner. I'm just taking the NYX Epic Wear liner, their liquid liner in white. I'm just going to create little dots above each of these little lines. And on this one, I tried to make them pointed, but it's very hard because I just use the same brush that this comes with. If you can make them a little pointed, like a little light, then that would be better. But yeah, I'm going to do this on this line, and then I will do my wings liner, and I will be back to put on some lashes.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
The next thing I'll be doing is putting on some mascara, and I'm just going to be taking the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. Okay, so I'm back with my face all complete, and this is how we're looking. I know it's very crappy quality, I'm so sorry. The next thing we're going to be doing is lips, just to finish off this look. And I have two options. I have Gemini and Celebrity Skin by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I think I want to start off with Gemini, and then if I don't like how that color is exactly looking, then I will add in some Celebrity Skin.
Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering a simple phrase. Although it's been said.
Okay, so this is what Gemini looks like on. And I kind of like the nude pinky look it gives. Like, it's not too nude, so I think I'm gonna leave it at this. This is the final look. I'm actually really happy with how this look turned out. I think it's super cute, super festive. It's not too much. I mean, now for some people, yeah, this definitely is not like an everyday look, but this would be super cute for a Christmas party or something because it's not like too much and it's not that noticeable. I mean, to me personally, I just think it's really cute and it's like a simple little look you can do. And the lips keep it pretty neutral. And I'm sorry that I keep looking this way. I'm looking at myself and not the camera of my phone. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you in some way. This is day 2 of my 12 days of Christmas, so I'm super excited for the next 10 days. Stay tuned for all those videos that are going to be coming out. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more from me. All my socials will be at the end of the video. Have a great day, you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.